All right, team. Today, we're conquering the river of no return, or river of very cold water, whatever you want to call it. Yep, very cold and fast. Not just gonna wade. This requires strategy. Phase 1, the mighty log bridge. Just gotta push it across.
Useless log. Just sits there. Thought you were my friend, log.
New plan. Tarzan style. This vine looks sturdy enough for a Bigfoot. Here we go. Whoa! Oh, this is shorter than I thought. Well, not my best swing. Still on this side. And now wet. Okay, steady now. Light on the feet. Whoa. Whoa. Almost a belly flop. New plan, the mighty raft. Just gotta get on. Whoa. Not so mighty. Well, that's not ideal. Very much not ideal. Maybe the river just doesn't want to raft. Ugh, this is ridiculous. There has to be a way. I'm Bigfoot. I conquer rivers. Wait a minute, what's that?
Nature's boat.
Aha, nature's boat. Perfect. This is it. My cosmic chariot of the forest. All right, get in.
Careful.
Almost there. Cozy. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Almost there. This is way better than sinking. Land! We have land. Take that, river of cold water. Wait a minute. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Wait a minute. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Well, that was the challenge. Right. Next time, maybe I'll just wade. Much easier. See ya.